Hi, Congress Park students and families. This is Mrs. Spatzek. I miss each and every one of you a ton, and I can't wait for school to start again. This video is going to show you how to access and use our LRC Choice Boards. Hopefully you find it helpful. If not, reach out to me and I will help you any way I can. So as you can see on my computer screen, I am on live right now. So you can access me by typing in my name, CamiSpatzek.com, or I'm going to demonstrate the longer way, just in case you don't know exactly how to spell my name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the district website. I have a shortcut, but the district website is dist102.k12.il.us. I'm going to go under schools and select Congress Park. After that, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and our link is always the last link so everyone can find it easily. And it takes us to our Congress Park Library website. Under library links, I added a new tab, and it's called eLearning, and that's where you're going to find a lot of things that I'm working on here at home with my own two children who are also my new students in my classroom. So I'm going to select eLearning. And right here you have the choice boards. Since I see kindergarten first and second twice a week, I'm going to go ahead and model with their boards, but all of the boards work the same for grades 3 through 6. The LRC directors in the district, we also are compiling great family activities that you can do if you have some extra time at home and you're looking for something engaging and challenging for your families. Included in this, I know my family is going to be using it, are digital breakout EDUs. Some of them are hard. So if you have any questions, reach out to me and I'll give you a free digital hint card. But again, for your required assignments, here are your choice boards right here that I'm kind of hovering over with my Mickey Mouse hand. So when I open up the grade level, or when you open up your grade level, you're going to see 3 columns. We have a reading column, a research column, and a technology column. Your task is every time you would have LRC, you choose 1 reading task, 1 research task, and 1 technology class or choices. So I'm going to pretend that, hey, I have LRC today. So I'm going to kind of scroll through and see something that looks interesting to me in each column. So I kind of like this one right here. Listen to someone else read a book. This could be a human person, somebody at home with you. This could be Raz Kids, which is now free for everyone. This could be listening to somebody read you a book out loud on Mayan. So once I do this task and actually listen to somebody read a book, I can go ahead and put an X, and I'm already 1/3 done with my assignment. Then I'm going to go to my next column and I'm going to scroll through. Oh, right away, who doesn't like to watch TV? So right away, I'm going to choose this one. I need a break and I need a show. So I'm going to watch one of these choices on PBS Kids. And then once I watch it, I'm going to draw a line through it to show I am done. And then my favorite column is the technology. So let's see, what do I want to do? Oh, I think I'm going to listen to another book and incorporate some of Mrs. Holdman's skills that she's been teaching me in art. I'm going to listen to a story on Storyline Online. They are adding more and more books, especially since we are all home right now. And then I'm going to draw the beginning, the middle, and the end, and then I cross it off. Then that would be my assignment for my session. At the end, I can write my name, have my parent or guardian sign, and date. Hope this helps. Let me know if it doesn't, and I'll be sure to help you. Bye. See you soon.